Hello guys, I am excited right now because I'm going to Crescent Beach. This is probably my last summer beach, and as you can see, there's my little puppy Soju. We're so excited to come over there and see what it's like. Okay, so join me.
Crescent Beach in Lunenburg County, Nova Scotia, is a scenic 2-kilometer long crescent-shaped white sand beach ranging from 40 to 65 meters wide. It's located near the community of LaHave and not far from the town of Lunenburg. The beach stands out because it acts almost like a sandy road connecting the mainland to the LaHave Islands, and it is open year-round. People often visit for walks, relaxation, and the beautiful coastal view. So guys, here I am, and it's becoming festive here. As you can see, wow, that's a nice sports car, and there's a lot of cars parked. This is the only beach wherein you can actually drive your car and park it in front of the beach. Besides enjoying the sun and swimming at Crescent Beach, visitors can walk or bike along the entire length of the beach, especially at low tide. Watch shorebirds, seals, kites, and other coastal wildlife. Visitors can also bring a kayak or paddleboard to explore the calming waters. Take photographs of the stunning ocean scenery, sunsets, and the nearby LaHave Islands. You can also try beachcombing for shells and sea glasses. Picnic at the designated area near the beach entrance as well. I am really enjoying walking along the shoreline. As you can see, Soju is really just barking endlessly. But as you can see, it's really beautiful. So share your thoughts to me. What's one thing you always bring for a perfect beach day? Please leave your comment below. Do you have a hidden gem beach in your area? Share its name and what makes it special. If you could explore anywhere nearby, would you try the LaHave Ferry or visit the local bakery? So I am in this beautiful beach, but I want to shout out a good friend of mine, Matsa Porsche, for knitting this cute little top for me. I love it. It is so appropriate in this beach vibe. Yeah. So if you want to order this, reach out to Matsa Porsche. Anyway, Masa, thank you. See you at work.